Holy shit. Let's start walking. Yeah, Lucas, come on.
No, we gotta see this out. Let's see this out.
That is bad news. Pete, are you talking? Did you call him?
I can't even get through to 911. You're not gonna be able to put that thing out. What are they doing?
Oh my god. And they're still shooting off fireworks.
Whoa!